Well, my friends, bubble chart in Excel is a type of scatter chart. In a bubble chart, the data points of the chart are moved by the bubble. The dimensions of the data are indicated by the size of the bubbles. Like the scatter chart, the bubble chart doesn't use the category axis. Both the vertical and horizontal axis are value axis, and also in the scatter chart only two x and y axis are drawn, and this chart is two-dimensional, while in the bubble chart there are three axes, x, y, and z, and the best type of chart for when we have three dimensions of data is a bubble chart. To draw this chart, we select the desired area, and from the Insert tab in the Chart section, we select the bubble chart. If we want to make changes on this chart, it is enough to right-click on it, as you can see, and then select the Format Axis option. For example, in the minimum section, we enter the number 0 so that the chart follows the data. As you witness here, there are different settings that we can use. Well, guys, if we want to change the color of the bubbles, we click on the bubbles. Then you can choose the color you want from the Format tab in the Shape Fill section. Well, my friends, I want to tell you some important tips. When we draw this chart, if we right-click on it and select the Select Data option, in the open window, select the Edit button. This is our X part. This part is also Y, and this part is volume and bubble size. Now, if we change the value of these percentages and press Enter, you will see that the volume of the bubble changes. Let's go to the next point. If, for example, we set the percentage here to 150, all the bubbles will change according to this percentage. And guys, the last point is that if we want to activate the label for these bubbles and to display the data we want, we have to double click on the labels. In the Format window, in the Label Options section, it shows us which data to display, but we don't want any of these options, and we want it to show us the name of the product. So, my friends, for this, we select the value from Sales option, and after that, in the opened window, we select the product name column and say show us this data, and we click OK, and now you'll see the product name is showing up for us, and that's awesome.